People don't have time anymore. Everything is fast. Fast fashion, fast food, fast or speed dating. So if you want to bring a message across, it has to be quick. If you want your message to be understood, it has to be well structured. If you want your message to be remembered, it has to be fun. And if you want to do this all, you have to. Hello everyone, my name is Lumi. Over here I talk about communication, psychology and public speaking, and by the end of this video you will learn more about Ignite, a presentation technique that turned into an event. Does this remind me of something? According to the website ignitetalks.io, Ignite is a fast-paced and fun presentation method created in Seattle in 2006 by Brady, Forrest and Brady. In the last 14 years, people like this presentation method so much that right now there are over 350 locations that host Ignite Talks events, including my hometown Chisinau in Moldova and excluding Austria at all. I've definitely heard something similar already. At these events, all the speakers have the same constraints, and mainly they have to speak for 5 minutes by using 20 slides. Wait! Oh! After watching a couple of Ignite Talks videos, by the way, there is a YouTube channel for that, I realized that this method is kind of the sum or the baby of the other two presentation techniques, Pecha, Kucha and Takahashi. And if you've never ever heard about these two, I will leave the links to them in the description box below. Same as in Pecha, Kucha, in Ignite Talks, people have to use 20 slides. The difference is only the time that they are allowed to spend on them. For example, at Pecha Kucha, people have to spend or are allowed to spend 20 seconds per slide, and in the Ignite Talks, only 15. Also, both of these techniques use only one picture per slide that are not supported by any written text. Now, the difference between these two, and conveniently, the similarity to Takahashi, lays in the use of words on the slides. These should be white on a black background with a very big font size, and the number of it should be of maximum 7. All in all, Ignite means 20 slides with 15 seconds on each. That sums up in a 5-minute presentation. Also, the speakers are allowed to either use only one picture per slide or maximum 7 words per slide. In my opinion, Ignite Talks is basically a Pecha Kucha presentation with Takahashi words, with a little upgrade, so to say. Nevertheless, I enjoyed watching all those Ignite Talks, and I'm sure that it's really fun to create all of them. Moreover, because it's a combination of two extremes, this presentation method is the most applicable outside all those events. For example, in schools and universities, as sales speech, or as the presentation of a report during the weekly or monthly meetings. Do you like this new presentation method? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Click here and here to learn more about presentation techniques and presentation skills in general. Here to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button to never miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!